What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I created a cubic zirconia baguette inspired look, starting off with these earrings which are so sparkly, and you can totally dress them up to an event or have it being worn with something super casual like a crew neck that I have on right now. I paired it with these baguette rings and chain rings. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this baguette bracelet. So first thing you're going to want to do is measure and cut your baguette chain to your preferred length. Once the baguette chain is cut, you want to go ahead and grab your slider clasp, and as you'll notice, there'll be one side that's open where you want to take the last piece of the CZ baguette chain and slide it into the end of the slider clasp. Grab your flat plier and bend to close that on top of the other side, and you'll have this look right here. Let's repeat that same method that we just did on that side to the opposite side with chain. Just grab it, slide it in, and then use your plier to close it up. Just like that. And go with the plier and tighten the slider clasp to close it up so that it doesn't have the ability to slip out. If you'd like to prevent the slider clasp from scratching while you're closing it, you can apply some tape around the tip of your plier. But I do want to mention that once the tape is added, it does slip easier. So it's going to be a little bit more difficult to have control, but it does prevent it from scratching the slider clasp. Sometimes these slider clasps opening where you put the jump ring comes a little too small originally. So what you can do is actually grab your owl tool and put it inside and just twist. By doing this, you're actually expanding this section so you can fit the jump ring inside. Once you've adjusted your slider clasp, you can go ahead and grab your jump ring with your pliers, and you can open it up. Grab one side of the slider clasp, hook it on, and then attach your clasp onto the chain, and then close up the jump ring. It's very important to make sure the jump ring is fully closed. So what I like to do is pass it where they meet and then come back. And then on the opposite side, just grab your other jump ring, open it up, attach to the opposite side of the slider clasp. And if you want to go an extra step, you can add this little dangle charm to the end of the chain and then close up your jump ring. And that's it. So here's what the bracelet looks like on. I did a double stack and I paired it with the Cuban link chain and this oval link chain, and I think they pair beautifully together as a stack. And here are the rings that I paired with them, which I'll also be linking down below. And on my other wrist, I have on our newest arrival of the twisted croissant ring and this CZ chain link one, and then just a regular thin gold wavy band. I brought these here to show you a comparison of what the gold versus rhodium looks like, and also how we carry it in other colorways, including emerald green, ruby red, a light blue, and a light pink color. So comment below if you guys would choose the gold color, the rhodium color, or just the colored CZ ones. I'd love to hear your feedback. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll be also linking all the products to shop down below, so you can just click the link and go right to where you can buy all these items to create your own beautiful designs. I hope to see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.